Alright, today is going to be a really short video. I don't have much to do. We're doing a lot of metal repair and piece restoration. So I'm going to be cutting this little bad boy up, welding in a new little flange there for it. And I've also spray epoxied a bunch of parts today. This is kind of where we're at with this project, is basically restoration of all the parts. We did get a mystery box. Oh, it's over there. I'll do that after. We'll open it up and see what the pieces are. It's a full piece bushing kit from Moss Motors. Hopefully it has enough that we can start assembling this chassis and wheels and brakes and stuff. You can see this is pretty poopy. We're going to fix it. Oh, geez, look at that. So this particular piece of metal has a bit of paint on it, so I ground it down. I'm going to put a little bend in it, right about here. I'm going to put a bend in it, and then I'm going to bend it over so that it overlaps right there. And it does get a hole in it somewhere, but I'll figure that out when we reinstall it. Perfect. Voila. I'm not going to record welding because I don't have a filter for this camera, but I'll stop once it's welded in place. I'll show you what it looks like. Just a quick little update while I'm working here. Piece has been cleaned and ready to put on. So I'm going to get it ready to weld on there. I'm going to tack it in place and get it all firmed up. Not exactly sure. I'm assuming there's another hole on this side, but we'll sort that out when we get to it. All right, well, here's a finished piece. I don't profess to be the best welder in the world. And I added a couple little tacks there just for strength. I don't even know what this part is, but it was rusted out, and you can see the new flange. Looks pretty decent. So once we, wherever we figure out where this thing goes, we'll drill the hole accordingly. So we got a mounting hole there, and we'll probably have to put one over there, but I don't know where it's going to go. So that's it. That's all. It's the fun stuff. This is the box from Moss Motors that's supposed to have the full car bushing kit in it. Seems kind of small to me, so let's see what's in it. Super Pro suspension parts. Box in a box. Triumph TR3, 3A, and 3B. Complete suspension kit. Front control arm, upper inner bush. Thank you from Super Pro. And I think that's going to be the last time I order directly from Moss. It cost me $150 at the border, so it's got to be a quite cheaper way than that. There's quite a lot of stuff in here. Well, that's pretty underwhelming. Anyway, we'll put that there. Close up the box. Go back to this when we were assembling the front end.